10. Okay, so make sure you write this down as well. Base 10 and base e are special bases. So we have 10 to the x equals y. X is our exponent. It's going to go on the other side of the equation. And then 10 is the base for the log. It's going to be at log base 10. And then y is the result. We're going to put that inside the logarithm. Let's not forget our parentheses. Now log base 10 is a special base. You actually don't need to include the 10. Log, when you type in log in your calculator, it assumes base 10 unless you tell it otherwise. Just like square root. When you write the square root, the calculator assumes that that's a root 2 because it comes up so much. Log base 10 comes up so much because we use a base 10 system. We use decimals. So whenever you have base 10, you don't have to include it in your answer because it's assumed, because it's so popular. So the answer for this one would be x equals log base y. I will show you what that looks like in the calculator. First,